I'm Nolan. Started a dropshipping business a little over a year ago. I went live. So I decided to purchase Dropship Breakthru because, one, their podcast, I listened to them for a while and I felt like I got to know them. I trusted them, and they had a pretty sick guarantee where they, you do $100,000 in sales in your first 12 months or your money back, but you got to show that you did the work. I was confident I was going to do the work. When you get into the program, the first thing that you notice is the community is like pop in. It's super active, very welcoming. You see that everybody's working to like help each other out. There are just like countless numbers of people who are willing to do that, and I think that's what makes the group special. And then you get into the content of the course and you're like, whoa, there's like a lot more than I know what to do with right now. So you just get this feeling like I have the tool that I need, the process is laid out for me, and I have the support that I need through the community that's gonna like keep me engaged in this work. So who is not a good fit for this training is somebody who like is looking for a get rich quick scheme. The program is for somebody who, like, if you're a good person, you're willing to put in the work, and you can have just a little bit of patience, and you can have the mindset, hey, like, this is something I can stick with for at least a year. If you're confident you can commit to that, I'm confident that you could see results in this program. Dropship Breakthru is an opportunity that can legit change the trajectory of your life if you're willing to put in the work and be patient for 1 year. That's it.